Hi there, CAMTASIA. I'm Mona, the senior mission intel agent on this case. I'll provide you with the intel in this operation.
Greetings, Mona. Pleased to meet you.
Liu Xin is my supervisor. You solved many well-known cases with her. I'm honored to be part of your team.
You're being too polite.
Wei Long is currently at the bridge and enjoying...
Wei Long.
Oh, well, if it isn't the great detective CAMTASIA. To what do I owe this pleasant surprise? I'm sure you didn't come all this way just to see our little holiday celebration.
This reporter's name is Lisbeth.
Hot.
She disappeared 2 days ago.
It's too bad I never got to see her with my own eyes. Did any of you see her?
Never saw her, boss.
You hear that? Now if there's nothing else, piss off.
Her co-workers say that you're the last person she interviewed.
I said you can piss off.
You may have heard. We're investigating a murder involving several of your people. If you don't cooperate, I can move this up the chain. Then come back with a search warrant and take you down. If we do it that way, I'm afraid your extravagant parade of Panate might hit a few snags.
Screw you! You think you can threaten me on my own turf? Don't think I forgot about our grudge from 5 years ago. Who do you think you are? You're just a petty detective. What the hell are you all looking at? Put the word out. Whoever kills him gets a 500K reward. Fuck, that hurts!
Fucking hell!
Man down! Man down!
My
This
arms!
shit!
You fucking worm!
So close!
Fuck this! Fuck you!
Man down!
They got my hand! Fuck! F this shit! They got one of us!
You motherfucker! Fucking hurt! My arm!
Fucking idiot!
Fuck, that hurts!
They got one of us! My arm!
We lost him, man! They got my hair!
Oh, damn the pig!
Fuck, my arm!
You hit my army!
Impressive! Shu, don't think you're so tough! I'm going to destroy you!
Try running again and I'll break your damn legs.
I really never saw the bitch! Now piss off! Kill him!
Bring it on, big guy.